This is my brand new Dell XPS 159500. It's the refresh, the 2020 refresh and redesign. This is going to be replacing my MacBook Pro 16 that I unboxed a few months ago. It's a long story, but let's just get right into it. So obviously I had to order this from Dell.com because Microsoft stores are closed, and this is actually a custom spec model, which I'll talk about later. But regardless of the spec, if you order a Dell XPS 15, this is what the unboxing experience is going to be like. And it does have high standards to live up to since I just unboxed a MacBook Pro. But seeing this box, I was really impressed. It does truly have that Apple feel to it, and it even has this nice magnetic latch to open it up. It was really nice. Anyway, to the main attraction, this is the laptop sitting pretty on top. Beautiful box, beautiful presentation, like always, and it's quite dense. This particular model, because it's got a integrated GPU, I think an Intel Core i7. It's got a lot of goodies inside, but let's put that off to the side for now and see what else we get in the box. So the first thing we're going to look at is part of the AC adapter. This is the bit that just plugs into the wall as I struggle to get the plastic off. Good length, not too short, not too long, nothing really interesting to say. And then we have the actual main 130 watt AC power adapter. So that other part plugs into this part, and then you plug that into the wall. And then this is a little USB-C adapter, unlike the one that they include in the Dell XPS 13. Which we'll touch on a little bit later. But bringing the laptop back into view, it is truly beautiful. The redesign they did is just phenomenal. We'll touch on it in a little bit as I struggle to get the plastic off. A lot of struggles in this video, but I do figure it out. So this laptop is made mainly out of carbon fiber and aluminum. We can see all the aluminum here as we take off the plastic. There was a little blemish on mine out of the factory. A little bit around the rubber, a little bit on the aluminum itself, and actually I had to clean it a little bit. It was just a little dirty out of the factory. Nothing a little cleansing wipe cannot fix, so just giving it a little wipe down. And then opening up, we can see the beautiful soft touch carbon fiber wrist pad. You can see the really fantastic keyboard. It's awesome experience to type on. Feels really good, on par with my MacBook. And what I'm doing here is testing to see if the trackpad will wobble. It's a big issue with this computer, QC out of the factory, but mine seems not to have that issue. Turning it on, just the initial Windows setup, we can't really see the beauty of the thin bezels on that screen just yet. Now, while Windows is setting up, let's go back and take a look at the AC adapter. Now, it has to be high wattage because of all the components it has to power inside this guy. It's got a GTX 1650 and Intel Core i7. These are not Ultrabook type components, so you got to have a beefy AC adapter. And this is the first generation of Dell XPS 15 to charge via USB-C. So if we take off this environmentally friendly packaging with the paper on the side, we can see a USB-C connector. So, it's reversible. You can plug it in upside down, whatever way you want. There's a little charge indicator light on it to tell you, when you're charging and when you're not. This is the other end. I don't even know why I'm showing this. It's quite boring, actually. But then this is the little USB-C to USB and HDMI adapter they include in the box. When you buy an XPS 13, it's only a little USB-C to USB Type A. But this is a little combo unit with HDMI and USB Type A, so it's really nice. It's a small little portable thing you can just slip into your bag. Before we talk about anything else, this is a Dell. It does come with a McAfee trial, and we want it gone. Goodbye, forever, uninstall. Before we even take a look at the screen, anything else, goodbye, forever. Will not miss you since Windows Defender is actually pretty good now. Taking a look at the ports, we can see a USB-C, SD card, and headphone jack, and then on the other side, a Kensington lock and two USB Type-Cs. Now, the last feature I want to touch on is the screen, because it's fantastic. I mean, look at just the absence of bezels. The model I have is the 4K OLED model, and it looks fantastic. Now, I'm not equipped to tell you for a fact if this is the laptop with the least amount of bezel on the market, but it is beautiful, and it's remarkable that they put, Windows Hello camera and all the sensors up on top of that little small bezel. Now, for a little secret, as of this recording, I've been living with this laptop for a few months, so I have some opinions formed in my mind of this laptop, but this is just a unboxing and quick overview, and that will be saved for a review later on. I do want to thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in our next video.